We start with news coming in from West Bengal, where the students are staging protests at the Jadhav University campus. And students have earlier written to university that they will not attend the classes or take exams till their demands are met. Ridhita, my colleague, joins us live on the broadcast from the Jadavpur University. As you can see the banners and the slogans being raised, and they've also issued an ultimatum, Ridhita, to the university. Tell us more. What are their demands and what are they saying right now? Ridhita, tell us what are the demands being raised, the ultimatum that has been issued by the students as they protest? Hello.
Correct, Rakshita. As we see, just few minutes back, we have seen the JUTA, the Jadavpur University Teachers Association, had held a protest, and now at the moment, the students' body, the protesting students have been protesting here. Today, they had given a last ultimatum to the Vice Chancellor till 4 p.m. But as we got to know that the Vice Chancellor got admitted in the hospital, he is just reasoning his physical illness as a reason to not come to the university and sit in negotiation with the students. And here at the moment we can see that more than 200 students have gathered up. They have come in protest and they're saying that they're very strict with their resolution. They are strict with their resolutions, as we understand that they have said that arrest of Bratta Boshu, the education minister, should be done in the earliest, and also the other ministers who were involved like Om Prakash Mishra of TMC. They will not allow him inside and also issue measures, correct steps for them. We will just speak to the protesting students and understand at the moment, since the VC is not coming, what will be their upcoming steps. The VC is not coming to college. The students, as we understand, students are not willing to speak. I will still speak to others. At the moment, the Vice Chancellor is not coming to the university. What is your next step?
Our next step is to raise our missile and rally against VC sir. When we want to bring VC in our college for listening our demands, then always VC in the past they take this path of taking the that.
कोई negotiation में नहीं बैठना चाह रहे VC.
क्या बोले फिर से बोले?
कोई भी negotiation में नहीं बैठना चाह रहा है VC. ब्रात्तो बसु के अगेंस्ट भी कोई स्टेप नहीं लिया गया. इसके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे आप?
ये मैं नहीं बोल सकता.
You can hear that they are voicing against the TMC at the moment. They are saying that the VC has also been sold to the TMC party, and as the police is also supporting TMC, therefore the VC has not taken up any step against the education minister. The VC has not sat for any negotiation, is not coming to the campus. Rather, no steps against the education minister have also been taken. What would you say on that?
See, one thing we have confirmed before also, that the VC must come today by 4 p.m. to ensure the basic safety in the campus. But even after that, what we have assumed, that the VC is working under the terms of some political power, and that is very much evident and clear by this activity of his. And from there we can confirm that the movement is not stopping right now. We will do the all stakeholder meeting as we have suggested before, and from there we are going for a greater movement from here.
Yesterday whole night you were sitting in the campus, you have been protesting since the night, and today also you are protesting. So what is your next step? How bigger is this swarm getting? We have seen the JUTA also support you, they have come and support in protest of you. So what is your next step now?
The next step depends on the all stakeholder general body meeting, but one thing we can assure, that the next step is going to be greater than this, bigger than this, and the spirit of the movement will even take an elevation from this point.
Have the police taken your FIR?
Police haven't taken our FIR yet, but we have seen today in the High Court that the judge has also told the police to take FIR from the other side, because the judge also thinks that this is a very undemocratic thing going on, and we have seen this today in the High Court early in the morning today.
Yesterday you have said that it is not a movement of Marxism, or you have said humanity is more than what some leaders of TMC is terming you with Naxalite and other Marxist statements. So what do you have to say on this? Is it really an excuse, or the students are being blamed
Right.
just like that?
The students are being
Right,
blamed just like
we
that.
will
The
continue to
students are
track
being
more
blamed
updates from the Jadavpur University campus. Thank you so much for getting us what's happening on Ground Zero. We shift our focus